तो अभी जो आपका डोनर एरिया में जो डेंसिटी वाला आपको लग रहा था, जो डर था, वो ठीक हो गया अभी?
जी वो डर वो ठीक हो गया।
We achieve all these three things in one session, and that's why the patient is also happy. Hello, myself Dr. Santosh Ingre from New Root Hair Clinic, Kolkata. Today we will see the special case of grade 6 baldness. Here we discuss why we took this case, because here we required almost 5000 grafts and we did it in one mega session. It almost took like 8 to 10 hours. So in this case we took the 5000 grafts for the donor area, and you can see the donor area which we took completely good here, and with all aesthetically looking better after 5 to 6 months. Now this patient came here for second PRP. So the results are good. So result depend upon three most important thing in each patient, especially the patient like this, the grade 6 baldness, and we avoid the repeated visit of the patients. We did in one mega session. So result depend upon natural look, most importantly full coverage and the density. So we achieve all these three things in one session, and that's why the patient is also happy. So here is the result of this patient. So you can see the density, the hairline and the natural look. Now let's move to our patient. बोलिए आपको कैसा लगा, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन लेके आए थे आप?
अच्छा लग रहा है। एक्सपेक्टेशन ये था कि पहले डोनर एरिया वीक था और उसके बाद से ग्राफ निकालने के बाद भी डोनर एरिया स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया और डेंसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा डोनर एरिया का, और बस हेयर लाइन भी अच्छा है, थिकनेस पूरा हो चुका है और पीआरपी से बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आया।
तो अभी जो आपका डोनर एरिया में जो डेंसिटी वाला आपको लग रहा था, जो डर था, वो ठीक हो गया अभी?
जी वो डर वो ठीक हो गया।
ओके, थैंक यू।